Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Park on level ground and set the parking brake. First action, heat the sticky area with a hair dryer on medium for 30-60 seconds to soften the residue. This reduces tearing. Once warm, press a plastic scraper at a shallow angle and lift gently to peel away the gummy layer. Make sure to blot any loosened goo with a microfiber towel rather than rubbing, which spreads residue. If the dash feels pliable, stop heating and move to a cooler spot to avoid warping. Once most surface material is up, you'll switch to solvent cleaning. Dampen a microfiber with 70% isopropyl and gently work in small circular motions to dissolve remaining tacky residue. Why 70%? It evaporates at a useful rate and lifts oils without excessive plastic damage. Make sure to avoid electrical seams, airbag covers, and vents. Tape off electronics or remove panels if possible. If residue persists, alternate brief heat bursts with another solvent path. Final steps. After residue is gone, wipe the dash with a 50/50 water isopropyl mix to remove solvent traces, then apply a UV-safe vinyl conditioner in thin, even coats to restore appearance and prevent retackiness. Once done, cool the interior for 1 to 2 hours before use. If the dashboard still feels sticky or becomes soft again, let the car sit in the shade for 24-48 hours to off-gas. If stickiness returns repeatedly, the top layer has chemical degradation. Replace the affected trim panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.